Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I'm going to be opening the January and February mystery box from JUVIA'S Place, okay? That's what you saw in the title, and that's exactly what we're going to do, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with JUVIA'S Place, I'm just going to say the packaging is amazing. The pigmentation is amazing. Now she has skincare. That is amazing. Trust me, you can create an entire look from start to finish minus mascara. But that means it's probably coming soon. All right, so let's open up January. Now the mystery boxes are $18 and they could contain products starting at $50 on up, okay? And it's usually 3, could be more, but let's see which ones are in here and what the manufacturer suggested retail price, okay? Oh, nice. All right, well, guess what? It is 3 of them. No way. Okay, this worked out really, really good. All right, so let's just do this. The first thing that I have is glass lip gloss, and this is it's electric, and it's a 5 milliliter or a 0.16 ounce size, okay? And this is what the packaging looks like. JUVIA'S Place can truly come with the packaging. Yes, yes. Oh, all right, and this is what it looks like. You know we're about to try this on right now. Okay, this is the first item. I know I'm just like jumping the gun right off the bat, but hey, might as well open it, right? This is really pretty. Oh my Lord, this is pretty. I don't want to put on too much. Wow. It kind of like changed the whole look of the lipstick. All right, nice. It's right off the bat. It smells really beautiful. And it feels nice too. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then the second thing is I have the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the packaging? Oh my God. But nonetheless, okay. Well, you don't have to worry about being blinded at all. JUVIA'S Place does not come with mirrors, okay? But these are the blush shades. Look at that. And not only are there blushes, but there are some highlighters in here as well. This collection is made up of 6. This is Zara, Neil, Lila, Zane, Toby, and Abby. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, so how about that? Gorgeous palette, right? Then we have another palette. Now, let me just tell you, this is the palette. I'm not opening this one. Why? Because this is the look that I created from this palette. I have it as well. I did it today, so it's sitting right here on my desk. Look. So I won't open this. This one is you know what? This is going in a giveaway. Let's talk about this right now. Okay? And be the first one to do it, I will give you this palette. There you go. That's it in a nutshell. No ifs, ands, or buts. If you can be, well, there are some ifs, ands, and buts. You have to be a subscriber of Seasoned Beauties. If you're not, don't even bother, okay? So let's just look at these shades. I promise you, they are gorgeous. All right. And this is what they look like. All right, well, first of all, can we appreciate the pan size of these shades? Okay, now, today to create this look that I have, yes, I did use this palette. I would like to show you them, and I'll post a picture of here or here without my glasses on so you can actually see what it looks like. The shades that I used are Madagascar, Morocco, Jezebel, and Sheba, right here. Those are the shades that I used to create this eye look, okay? So, they are just beautiful. So pigmented, all right? If you really want a lot of color, pat it on and then blend it out. Just make sure you pat it on heavy and then blend it out. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And they are long lasting. See, I can tell you from experience because this is what I use today. I am so excited to be able to give someone this Nubian 2 palette. Okay? This one right here will be one of yours. Okay? And I will be so happy to give you this palette. I love JUVIA'S Place. I could very easily keep this as a backup, but I know it's going to take me a long time to get through this palette. And I love and appreciate y'all so much. I'd be more than happy to share it with you. So there you go. This was just the January mystery box, okay? And that consisted of these 3 products right here, okay? That was January. Now, let's go ahead and look at February. Okay, and this one has 3 items in it as well. So, OMG. Okay, so the first item that I have in the February mystery box is a repeat. Look at that. And this is the It's Electric Glass Lip Gloss. Okay, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So what I'll do is I'm not going to open this one, not yet, because I might just give it to one of my daughters, possibly even one of my granddaughters, or it might even go to one of you. We'll see. So, but this is what it actually looks like. Remember? Packaging, here it is. So this one, not opening as of yet. The next one that I have is the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, and it is smudge proof, 12-hour long wear, and it has intense color payoff. So let's see which shade I received. And of course, this shade is Royal. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. You know, let me tell you something. I don't have a problem giving things away, okay? Because I don't mind sharing even if it's something that I really like. Now, the last time I got this, I gave it away. And here it is. See? It is more blessed to give than to receive. That's what the good book says. All right? So that is the second item. And then the third one. What? Okay. The third one is the second in the Sahara Blush palette. All right. I am ecstatic about this. Let me tell you something right now. I am truly having a moment because I now have them both. Look at that. Look at the packaging here. All right. This has a 24-month shelf life. And that is amazing to me. Would you like to see the shades? Of course you do. Otherwise, you wouldn't still be here. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, and these shades are Yara, Sola, Teo, B, Zoba, and Lena. Okay? Oh, I am really happy right now, okay? Because I just opened the Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1, and now I have Volume 2. This didn't get any better than if I would have ordered them myself. I'm very, very happy right now. Okay, let's recap. The January mystery box. I received these three right here, okay? And the February, I received these three right here. I'm really happy right now, okay? I am truly grateful and satisfied with purchasing the mystery boxes. So I technically didn't even spend $18 for each because I had a coupon code. So I actually spent $16. You know what? I didn't even pay $18 with taxes and shipping after I used my code. Okay? I am really happy, okay? I just want you to know that. Now, I'm thinking about something right now. Let me ask you a question. Do you know why this finger is blue and this finger is red? If you can be the first person to tell me, I will give you this palette right here. Now, are there any other stipulations? Of course, you must be a subscriber to Seasoned Beauties. If you are, and you are the first one, this will be yours. Now, how do I know it's the first one? I will check the comments, and the very first comment that I have that tells me, well, that's only if you want it. If you don't want it, you don't have to talk about it at all. But if you would like to have that palette and you are the first person, I will be communicating so I can get your information and send it to you. The only stipulation after that is that you take a picture of it with you when you get it, okay? Now, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as I opened the January and February mystery boxes from JUVIA'S Place, okay? I will post a picture here of the January and February. This lip gloss is part of it. feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. I love the way it feels and I love the way it looks. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.